In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Convertkit account. Whether you're streamlining your digital life or moving on to different tools for your email marketing needs, closing your account is a straightforward process, though it does require a few specific steps. Let's walk through these steps together, ensuring you're able to close your account confidently and securely. First off, let's head over to Convertkit. You can do this by typing Convertkit's URL into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the home page of this powerful email marketing platform. But since our mission today is to part ways with Convertkit, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login page, a crucial step in the account closure process. On the login page, you're going to need to enter your email address associated with your Convertkit account. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid any login issues. After that, it's time to input your password. Make sure you type it in accurately. Those dots can be deceiving. Once your password is in, hit the login button to access your Convertkit dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, but today our focus is elsewhere. Having successfully logged in, find your way to the dashboard kit. This is effectively the command center of your Convertkit account, giving you access to various tools and settings, including the one we need today. Now, depending on how your dashboard is set up, or any updates to the interface, you might need to look around a bit. We're heading to the video creators section next. This might sound a bit counterintuitive, but it is just the path we need to take within the Convertkit universe to reach our goal. Once you've clicked on video creators, your next step is to seek out the help option. This might be represented by a question mark or the word help itself, depending on the interface at the time you're doing this. The help section is your gateway to customer support, resources, and most importantly, account management options, including closure. In the help section, find and click on Open Mail. This is where you're going to initiate the process of closing your account by getting in touch with Convertkit's support team. Once you're in the Open Mail area, look for the Add an Account option. But remember, despite how it sounds, we're actually going to use this option to contact support, not add anything new. At this stage, you're ready to communicate directly with the Convertkit support team. Compose a message stating your desire to permanently close your Convertkit account. It's important here to be clear and explicit about your request. Make sure to provide any required information to verify your identity and your account, as this will help expedite the process. The support team is quite responsive, but remember, depending on their queue, it might take a bit of time to get back to you. Throughout this process, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First, ensure you've backed up any important information or data you have in your Convertkit account. Once your account is closed, you may not be able to retrieve this information, so it's better to be safe and make copies ahead of time. Secondly, be patient. Account closure processes can vary in response times, and while Convertkit's team does their best to assist quickly, there may be periods of waiting involved. Lastly, consider reviewing Convertkit's terms of service or any account closure policies they have. This can provide additional insights into what to expect after you've submitted your closure request. Closing a Convertkit account is a decision that might come after much thought, and it's understandable you'd want to ensure the process is handled smoothly and securely. By following these steps, you are well on your way to closing your account, allowing you to move forward with your email marketing journey, whatever that looks like for you. Remember, the world of digital tools is vast, and finding the right fit for your needs is key to your online success. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors, both online and off.